Here are some of the things you need to know if you're planning to visit Bantayan Island. From the airport, you need to go to Cebu North Bus Terminal and you can either ride a bus or a van going to Hagnaya Port. It's time to ride the ferry naman once na nasa port na kayo. Travel time from the port to the island is 1 hour lang, so sobrang bilis na. We already have a contact sa Bantayan, si Kuya Lito. We availed his tour package. Cost is 5,300 pesos, included na lahat, even the entrance fee sa pupuntahan namin. For the accommodation, we book a room at Nayar Beach Resort, one of the cheapest hotels per sobrang ganda. For 3 days and 2 nights, we spent around 4,000 pesos lang. If you're a morning person, magugustuhan nyo ang sunrise dito. We started our trip visiting Dakota Beach. Dito yung famous sandbar nila pero mas na-enjoy ko yung sunset dito. The next day, we plan to go island hopping naman. As early as 6:30 AM, sinundo na kami ni Kuya Lito and we started our trip going to Virgin Island. Isa kami sa mga unang guest sa island so medyo kokonti pa yung tao. Here are the things you can do here. And please, huwag kayong aalis hanggat hindi kayo nag-snorkeling. Next stop is the Balidbid Lagoon. Nagkaya kami for almost an hour. I highly recommend this too kasi kakaibang experience siya. Seeing the place itself, sobrang ganda. We also had our lunch here for only 900 pesos lang, good for 2 na. After the island tour, we had our land tour naman. First stop is the Ogtong Cave. Medyo mabilis lang kami here since ang daming tao. So tumambay na lang kami beside the beach. We also visited this place called The Ruins. We just took a photo there, pero pwede ka rin namang mag-cliff dive. Next stop is the Mangrove Park. One of my favorite spots here sa island. Super calming ng place, ang peaceful, marerelax ka talaga. And yes, dito located ang famous Camp Sawi at Camp Pogi. Pero mas na-enjoy ko yung Mangrove Tunnel kasi super rare na may ganito palang place na nag-e-exist. Last stop namin is the Sandira Beach pero I wasn't able to take videos kasi pagod na ako that time. Overall, ang dami mong pwedeng gawin sa island pero kahit tumambay ka lang by the beach, sobrang marerelax ka na. No joke, this is probably one of the best island in the Philippines. Ayaw na nga naming umalis after our stay pero yes, we hope to be back soon.